Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and Project Renovation. Today we are working on the bathroom and it's kind of dark here in the shower stall. So I'm thinking of putting a light right here and pulling power from that one. So like, share, subscribe, let's get into the video. So for this job, I'll be using these downlights. These are universal downlights. And I have them in another video. Basically, they have these adjustable clips right here. And they can fit any sized hole. So as long as the hole that you make on the ceiling is smaller than this, it should fit. It's very echo. Let me do something about it. Okay, so I hope that's a lot better. The downlight is about 17 centimeters. So if I put a 12 centimeter hole, it should be just fine. So I'm going to put this down. 12 by 12. Join all that. See, it covers the hole. So that's my hole marking. So I have my multi-tool here and I'm going to start cutting. And I find that it's also very good practice that when you're running cables between walls or inside your ceiling to, use one of these. This is a conduit. That should be enough. Then I'm gonna fold the ends over like that, so it makes it easier to thread these through the conduit. Since I'm gonna be pulling power from this light, I'm gonna be switching it off first. This is an access panel light actually. I have another video on this thing. Alright, the connection's on this side, right there. So I'm going to be pulling the cable from the other side. Since that is the smaller hole, I reckon it's easier to go from small to large. That's what she said. Then I'm going to stick my hand in to find the conduit. There it is. So this is the light, power in, power out, and this goes to the driver, to the LED up there. So I'm just going to join these two ends to where the LED comes out from. There we go. Lastly, we want to install this just to make sure it fits and covers up that hole. Set your clips to the right width of the hole. Now, probably the worst way to join a wire is to twist it and then follow through with electrical tape. Please do not do that. That is very bad. Okay, at bare minimum, you should be using one of these wire caps. Okay, they look like that. And what you do is you twist until it stops. If you can see, that is not good enough. You want to twist it until the wires start twisting as well. So you just watch. I'm going to twist it again. This is what you want, where the wires are twisted into themselves. Okay, so once that's all done, you can adjust your clips. There you go. Just straighten it. Easy. That's done. Let's test it out. And it works. That's how you pull a light over. Right? If you like that tip, like, share and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.